Whose mango tree? On another day, while Birbal was in the palace settling disputes, two men approached him. The first man said, "Sir, my name is Das, and I own a plot of land. On the edge of my plot of land, there is a mango tree. I planted that tree, sir, but unfortunately the tree grows into this man's plot of land as well. But since the tree leans more towards my land, it is clear that I planted it. That's why I would like to take all the mangoes that grow on it." Birbal looked at the other man, waiting for him to respond. The other man hesitated, then slowly stepped forward and said, "Sir, my name is Raj, and I am a farmer. It is true that the mango tree grows on the edge of his land and my land. It is also true that the mango tree leans more towards his land than mine. But, sir, I was the one who planted the mango tree. I took care of it like a baby. I protected it from cows and goats till it grew to be a big tree. So you see, sir, I am the one who deserves to get the mangoes from the tree." Birbal thought for a while and said, "This is a difficult task. I will need a day to decide who should be the one to get the mangoes." After the two men had left, Birbal called one of his guards and said, "Wait till the evening. Then go to each man's house and tell him that thieves are stealing mangoes from the tree. See how each one reacts and let me know." The guard did as he was told. First he went to see Das. When Das heard that someone was stealing mangoes from the tree, he said, "That's very bad. I must do something about it. But right now I'm going to meet a friend. I will take care of them later." The guard then went to see Raj. As soon as he told Raj that thieves were robbing mangoes from the tree, Raj ran out with a stick. He ran all the way to the edge of his plot of land to chase the thieves away. When he got there, he found that there were no thieves. He decided that they had heard him coming and had run away. The guard returned to the palace and told Birbal what had happened. The next day, Das and Raj came to meet Birbal. Das asked Birbal, "Have you decided who the tree belongs to, sir?" Birbal thought for a while and then said, "The tree belongs to both of you, since it grows on both your plots of land. But only one of you has planted that tree." The men looked confused. Then Birbal said, "Since I am not able to reach a conclusion, I will share the tree equally between the two of you. I will have the mangoes plucked and divide equally. Since the tree has caused so much trouble, I will have the tree cut down and I will divide the wood between the two of you. Is that all right?" Das jumped forward and said, "That would be great, sir. You are truly a wise man." Raj fell to the ground crying, No, please don't cut down the tree, sir. Please. For 7 years I have taken care of that tree. Please don't cut it down. I don't mind if Das takes all the mangoes, but please don't kill my tree." Birbal stood up and called out to the guards, "Guards, arrest Das. He is the one who is lying. The one who has really planted and taken care of the mango tree is Raj. That's why He was willing to sacrifice the fruits of the mango tree and allow the tree to live. We need more people like Raj who are willing to plant trees and protect them like children. Everyone in the court cheered Birbal for his wit and intelligence.